What's up, YouTube? I'm here on NQ. Today is March 4th, and I feel like my bias today is pretty neutral. As you can see, price just tapped into this 4-hour BPR right here, and we're getting a nice bearish reaction out of it. But recent price action on the 1 hour has looked bullish with higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. But also, we did leave a lot of liquidity down here when price dumped, and we left some 4-hour lows down here. And on the daily, it kind of looks like some trend line liquidity right here with all these daily lows. But also on the 1 minute, we have a news high. If we look on Forex Factory, we had 715 NFP change news right here at 715, and we left that wick right there. So maybe price could come up, take out this news high, and then we could get a nice sell entry right here. There's some nice trend line liquidity right here on the 1 minute. And on the 4 hour, we did inverse these two bearish gaps right here with this candle, but these two bearish gaps are also connected to this one, which is a part of that BPR, and we didn't inverse it. So I feel like we're not going to be super bearish. So that's why my bias is neutral. But on the 15-minute, if we inverse these two 15-minute bullish gaps, we're definitely going to be bearish. And there's some trend line liquidity right here on the 1 minute to target. Okay, so here's 830 right here. Left a nice 830 wick, and it looks like it's pushing up exactly what I wanted. Okay, so 830 right here in New York Open pushed up, left a wick, but it took it out, and it took out that 730 wick, so that's good. So I'm thinking maybe this 2 minute or the 1 minute, depending on which one inverses first. But I feel like this is most likely going to be invalid. Okay, looks like we're going to get an inverse right here on the setup I was talking about. Oh, never mind. Okay, so price is inversed right here on the 2 minute, and I'm in. So I'm going to set the break even right here. This is a very close break even, but there's really nothing else down here that I could set the break even to. Okay, so that was a pretty fast break even, just as I expected. But I feel like this wasn't a bad trade. We set the break even at an 830 wick, and I feel like our bias today is bearish. As you can see, we just tapped into a 4-hour BPR. We had a big overnight move right here, as you can see at 3 a.m. Even at 1 a.m. we had some nice like big green candles, so usually when overnight and London session do a lot of movement, New York isn't that good. But yeah, I'll still see if we get something else, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, it looks like we have another setup here. Looks like a nice V shape. Yep, I'm taking this. So that was supposed to be break even right there. Oh man, yeah, this wasn't a good trade really. Yeah, my entry is at where break even was supposed to be at. This just looked good because it had a nice V shape right here. Okay, yep, and I just got stopped out. I knew this was a bad trade. As soon as I entered it, I'm like, oh man, I shouldn't have taken this because the entry is right at break even. And price just does look bullish. And as you can see, the only thing to target were like this wick right here that took out another wick. So yeah, that was just a pure pattern trade right there. So that wasn't good, but I think I'm gonna be done for the day. Price action isn't that good. We still have like an hour left, but price doesn't look good at all. So I'm gonna be done for the day. Let me see what the account's at. Mine is 292, right at 49K. So yeah, I took quite a hit right there. And yeah, I'll write in the description of this video if I took anything later. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and thank you for watching.